In this video, we'll show you how you can use custom property fields in order to add information to the guest login or My Stay Planner. So under Properties and then Custom Fields, in here I can set up custom fields for my properties. In this case, I've added two, a key code, which is a single line field, and the arrival details, which is a multi-line text box. And when I've created them, I've ticked this box to add them for the guest login. So now to put information in these fields, I go to Properties and then Edit. And then on the right-hand menu, I'm going to go to Custom Fields. So you can see here I've got my custom fields. I've got my key code and my arrival details, the key code being the single line text box, and then the arrival details is a proper HTML editor. These can be used to show on the guest login. They can also be merged into emails and text messages. So for example, I could also merge in my key code to a text message sent 24 hours before the arrival date. But in this example, we're going to use them in the guest login. So if I go into the guest login as a guest, and here's the property which I added the information in, and under other info, you can see here I've got my key code and information showing.